my beautiful people, how are you? Today I'm finally doing again this keratin treatment. You guys, it's been 3 euros. What? No. It's been 3 years since I filmed this video. Okay, so we can see better the results here, and if you guys want to see how I went from the frizzy messy hair to the silky smooth very nice looking one, well, just keep on watching. I'm so happy that my hair got its shit together, and he said, I'm finally ready to try this keratin treatment again. Please don't kill me. No, for real, my hair is been through some shit, but I feel like right now we are doing pretty good, okay? So I decided to try again this Kativa Brazilian Keratin Hair Treatment. I honestly love it. It works for me. I love the results, and I am like very impressed with how long the results last on me. Please go watch my other video because I feel like it's much more informative than I was in today's video. I already filmed the video. Today I just wanted to answer some questions that you guys left in my, on that video, in the comments of that video. I don't even know what I want to say anymore because I'm so tired. I just want to lay down. Let's jump into the video, and I'm so sorry for this long intro. I just washed my hair with the pre-shampoo treatment, and as I was getting ready, I let my hair air dry, but you guys, it's not completely dry, so I'm gonna take my blow dryer and insist a little bit more. I just wanted to show you guys how my hair looks when I let it air dry. As I said, it's not completely dry, so I'm gonna blow dry it, but let's just brush it so you can see how frizzy this bitch is. Honestly, I hate frizzy, curly, dry, damaged hair. I just described my hair. Okay, so this is lovely, okay? First things first, I am not a hair professional, okay? Don't do what I say, do what these instructions say if you want to use this Brazilian hair treatment. Disclaimer, wow, shocking, I'm not educated in hair. I do this by myself at home, following the instructions step by step. So I'm not gonna show you the whole process, I'm just gonna show you the steps. Also, I'm gonna answer some questions because I filmed this video 3 years ago, and I feel like now it's time to repeat this treatment. My hair has been through some crazy times, but I feel like it's strong enough now so we can repeat this treatment. I had a lot of hair fallout. That's because depression, anxiety, stress, all that lovely things that body can do. So that's why I haven't used this treatment. I literally bought this last year because I had the best intentions to use it again, but my hair said, bitch, no, this is not the time. Spoiler alert, my hair is very damaged. Okay, so this is how it looks after it's super fine at the ends. As you can see, I did got a trim 2 months ago, I think, and that's that. Okay, so this is how the hair looks like. I think I already said this like 10 times already. Get a friend to help you, because you're gonna end up with your arms super sore. You guys, this is my 3rd most viewed video on my channel. It has 96k views. I am going to link it down below. This bitch told you everything you needed to know about this keratin treatment. Oh my goodness, I'm so scared right now, you guys. Like, I'm getting nervous. Someone said generally most of keratin treatments suggest do not wash your hair at least for 3 days. But did you wash your hair right after the procedure? I am telling you, this is not the keratin treatment you get at your hair salon. Okay, so if in the instruction says clearly wash your hair after straightening, like after finishing straightening the hair, you do that. Okay, you don't ask me. Yes, there's like a bunch of different others keratin treatments, but this one, you don't leave it in your hair for like 3 days. No, don't do that. Don't do that. I mean, if you want to do that, do it at your own risk. Look at me putting only one glove on. You guys, I'm getting so freaking nervous. So I'm gonna do what they say in the instructions. Okay, apply this with a brush on my hair. It smells good, don't get me wrong, but when you're straightening the hair, it releases some fumes. And also someone asked if it's good for pregnant women. I don't know what to say about that. Make sure you do this. If you really want to do this treatment, make sure you go outside. Okay, my hair was still very sticky after the last wash, after straightening. Is that normal? No. If you read the instructions, it says clearly wash your hair as many times as you need to remove completely the mask from your hair. Like if you have to use shampoo 10 times, do that, and make sure your hair is not sticky after finishing washing your hair. Is it really safe to do at home? Can I use it already? Can I use it already colored hair? Yes, it's safe to do it at home. If it wasn't safe, why would they sell this at your, drugstore, whatever? My hair is colored. Okay, I dye my hair black, and yes, this will like lighten, like lift up your color. So you can use it on colored hair, but you have to keep this in mind that it will lift a little bit your hair color. Some people in the comments said that it didn't like lighten their color or affected their hair color in any shape or form. So I guess, I don't know, it depends on the hair. I don't know. Hi love, thank you for the video. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you. When can you do again the treatment? How long did you wait for the second time? So it says in the instructions you should wait 6 months if you want to redo this, because it's best to let it completely wash out, I guess. So yeah, 6 months. It says you can use this treatment twice a year. Hi love, thank you for the video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I truly appreciate your comments on my videos. She said, I have 2 questions, please. Do we have to avoid it? Get the treatment on the scalp while applying it? I mean, it says so in the instructions, as I already said, but if you get it on the scalp, nothing will happen, because until you don't use heat on it, it won't activate. So when you straighten the hair, make sure you don't go on your scalp with the heat, so it won't burn you. But yeah, it's safe. If you right now I did got it on my scalp and it's totally okay. Can you wash your hair after having this and still stays straight? The answer is yes. Listen, first of all, this is a treatment that cancels the frizziness in your hair. This is what this treatment does for your hair. But then you go, when you have the mask on, you go and you straighten the hair, and the hair will pick that shape, so it will stay straight. I'm sure there's keratin treatments that you can use curling ones or something, curling something to make the hair wavy. So since I love my hair super straight, I'm gonna use a straightener, because that's my main goal here. Cancel the frizz and having my hair beautiful, slick, straight for the next 4 months at least. So yes, your hair is gonna stay straight no matter if you put it into a bun or if you wash it or a ponytail, it doesn't matter, okay? If you use it correctly, it will it will stay straight and beautiful and sleek and frizz-free. Doesn't that sound absolutely fantastic? It was starting to pop up a lot of videos with this shampoo on TikTok, and I said, you know what, listen, I need that because I do dye my hair at home every other 2 months because I have gray hairs and I hate them. But this shampoo is a lifesaver, or maybe a hair saver. This is like a wash of color but lasts me about 3 weeks, so every other 3 weeks I go and I apply it. It's super easy to use. Here it says to wait 5 minutes, like to let it sit for 5 minutes, but I usually go 20 minutes so you can see the color developing and it doesn't stain the skin. It's freaking amazing, and it makes the hair feel very nice. I don't know how to explain it. It doesn't smell bad at all. So yeah, this is the black hair dye shampoo. They have a variety of colors, so go find your color on Amazon and thank me later, okay? I'm assuming your question is if the hair has a smell after using this treatment, and yes, it does. You can slightly smell it, especially when you wash your hair. You can notice a strange scent in your hair, but after it dries out, it goes away. And I think I think the smell, like the scent, lasted me up to 4 or 5 washes. So yeah, it does have a smell. I'm gonna comb my hair with this tiny little comb, and as you can see, there's a lot of product that is coming off. Also make sure you do not pull your hair too hard, okay? So obviously I got this on my scalp. I'm telling you, it's okay. I finished blow drying my hair. I used a round brush and the blow dryer. It took forever. My hair is dry and it feels crispy. It looks crispy, but thanks God it's dry. So it looks like this, okay? Very stiff, very crispy, as I'm telling you guys. It looks like I have enough hair for 2 showers and a heavy rain. Not happy about that. Now I'm going to try to straighten it as perfect as possible. Someone said, can I use this product to reduce my frizz and still keep my natural waves? Well, no, because you're gonna have to straighten the hair, okay? So the hair will end up being very straight, but then you can wave it, like you can curl it, you can wave it, or I have to straighten to activate it. Yes, exactly, babe. Yes, that's exactly what you have to do. You have to straighten, like this is the most crucial step in this treatment, okay? Like if you don't use the straightener, you won't have good results. Should I say that louder for the people in the back? If you don't straighten the hair, you won't have the best results, okay? This is what, like the heat from the straightener is what activates the keratin. Did I make that clear? Thank you once again. Thank you for commenting. I love you. They say pass it through thin strands of hair or sections of hair 8 to 12 times. So probably I'm gonna end up doing more than that, because honestly, who has time to count them, right? You guys, I want to show you the color difference. So this is a piece that I just straightened it. You see it is like a brownish, reddish brownish. Look what happens when I compare it to the hair that I have up. Oh my goodness, you see that? You guys see that? You see, like this lightens your hair, definitely. I mean, if you have colored hair. You guys, I finally did it. I'm so happy. It took me 2 hours. Just to straighten my hair, it took me 2 hours. I really hope I did a pretty good job. By the way, it's a little bit cloudy, so the lighting might be a little bit different than it was earlier. So, this is the result, okay? A bitch is tired, but also is happy because, oh my goodness, look how cute this is. And I had it like pinned in the back with a clip because I was doing like I was straightening my hair in very small sections. You guys, it feels great. It's sticky, I'm telling you. Now the sun is out. Look at the color. Oh my goodness, you guys see the color? Like, isn't this freaking crazy? I'm gonna go and rinse my hair. So step 6, it says rinse hair with plenty of water until the treatment residues are completely removed. Okay, I shampooed 3 times and there's still plenty of shampoo in here. This conditioner is thick as hell, so you need to insist and insist to take some out. As I'm moving my head, I can smell this keratin. After I was about to say aftertaste, but no. Isn't this a vibe? Alright, beautiful people, so that was it. This is the hair tutorial. No. Listen, my hair felt so... I look crazy. It felt so soft when I was watering. When I was, shampooing my hair. So, I'm gonna blow dry it as they recommend and show you guys the final result. Okay, so I finished blow drying my hair. You guys, it feels so freaking soft. Let me just brush it a little bit. So I don't have any product right now in my hair. I can still feel it a little bit heavy, like it has some residue. It's not sticky by any means, don't get me wrong, but it feels like I have some type of product in my hair and I don't, okay? I just washed my hair, applied the conditioner, and that's it. I feel like I have a little crease right here. Do you guys see it? Like right here. I don't think I did a good job there with straightening the hair, but oh my goodness, it feels so nice. Wow, it doesn't look nice, but trust me, it does feel nice. And as you can see, it's not puffy, it's not frizzy. Okay, and it's shiny, but it will get shinier after the second wash, trust me. I don't know what else to tell you guys besides the fact that I'm so happy with the result. As I said before, I do see a little crease right here. I don't know if the camera picks it, but it's okay, I'm fine with that. I am fine with that little crease to be there, okay? Other than that, I freaking love and adore the fact that my hair feels so freaking soft and sleek, and it's frizz-free, and it's gonna stay like this for the next at least 4 months. I'm gonna be happy. So if my hair is gonna look like this by the end of February, bitch, mission complete, I guess. So yeah, I'm happy. I think that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please let me know what do you think down below. Let me know, okay? I'm so happy, as I said 10 times already. I'm extremely happy. It looks exactly how I want it to look. Straight, sleek, beautiful, smooth, frizz-free, straight hair. So that's that. Okay. Bye guys, a lot of kisses for you, and subscribe if you haven't already, obviously, and see you guys in my next one, I guess.